How to fix slow Wi-Fi in 1 minute. There are different things that you can try. Firstly, turn things off and on again. It's simple but effective. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Secondly, you can also try to restart your device. On your phone, you can go to turn off Wi-Fi and then wait for 3 seconds or more and then again turn back on. Try to look for your old firmware and try to update it. Router's firmware may be outdated and that's why the Wi-Fi is getting slower. If you can, then switch Wi-Fi bands. Use 5 GHz for faster speed and less interference. You can also try to change Wi-Fi channels. If you have antennas, then try to adjust the antennas. Also use ethereal cables for devices like PC, console or smart TV. Some devices may prioritize cellular over Wi-Fi. At that time, disable low power Wi-Fi mode and ensure that device is connected to the fastest network. Check your router location and try to relocate. And lastly, extend Wi-Fi reach or replace your equipment. If the router is old, then upgrade to modern Wi-Fi 6 router. That's all for today. Thank you.